Yeah, IKE and constant evolution. Word up. Ravenous assaults viciously, even now we're under sedation. Word up. This the facts. Listen. Word up. What you know about world domination? What you know about world occupation? What you know about capitalization? What you know about true education? What you know about world domination? What you know about world occupation? What you know about capitalization? What you know about true education? What you know about your roots and your civilization and European oppression of the African nation? No identity, look at their situation. This is how we treat the birthplace of all creation. Racism, poverty, and aggravation. We can overcome if we value education. The modern day slavery is incarceration. Knowledge to the brain is better than medication. Positivity and occasional meditation will put your mind on the path to emancipation. Provocation, the crime I'm not embracing. The powers that be conquer colonization. And I'm just telling you the facts tonight. It's about rich and poor, not black and white. They don't care if your mama's smoking crack tonight. Niggas care about the money if it's stacking right. ECOWAS come together on the map to fight my West African ancestors back to life. War-torn poverty and the cash is tight. Eliminate the Taliban and they build a pipeline. I straight shine when I write rhymes. I leave the blind, I'm ahead of my lifetime. Don't try to keep us in check. The Federal Reserve is a tool just to keep us in debt. Yo, this is what I know, fam, and can't nobody strip it from me. Understand we need debt to keep printing money, so they keep you ignorant like the shit is funny. I can deal with ignorance, but I despise a dummy. The taste of wisdom is sweeter than the taste of honey. This for kids in America with empty tummies. You taking flu shots for poison cause your nose is runny. I'm a light when it's dark, I'll make it sunny. Racism's evolved. People think because Obama got elected that the problem is solved. The Civil Rights Act was always a facade. Arizona immigration, the system is flawed. The world's in hysteria. What about the genocide Ronald Reagan funded in South America? Better watch what you saying to me. Chile had a 9/11 back in 73. Was America a terrorist? Who could it be? If I spot something wrong, then I'm looking to see. Cause you looking at the truth when you looking at me. It's that VA, Carolina, Brooklyn, and me. Man, the question that you need to ask, why are we hated? Look at the hegemonial world that we created. Iran couldn't stop Saddam when he invaded. How can it be a threat to us? That shit is jaded. What you know about world domination? What you know about world occupation? What you know about capitalization? What you know about true education? What you know about world domination? What you know about world occupation? What you know about capitalization? What you know about true education? Yeah. In constant evolution, that's the facts. Holla back.